Hello everyone and welcome back to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add emojis onto your categories or entries within the YNAB application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YNAB application on your device. And once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into your home page. Now within your home page, you will see various different categories or aspects of your budget. Now as you can see, the budget aspects that have been created by the application by default already have an emoji. So this means that it should entirely be possible to add any emoji on a category that you create yourself. In order to do this, just tap on the edit button at the top section, and from the edit categories menu, you can edit all of your categories. If you want to change the emoji of any category, you can simply go ahead and delete the current emoji, and from your keyboard menu, just tap on the emoji icon to add your preferred emojis. You can also create your own category by tapping on the new group option, and you may add emojis within your group as well as the subcategories. Now the emojis that are available to you depends on the type of keyboard that you are using. So you may explore various kinds of keyboards in order to find the kind of emoji that you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add emojis onto your entries and your categories on the YNAB application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.